Hi, I hope your day is going well. Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Ring the notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. On this video, we're going to talk about how to keep animals out of your garden. It includes trapping, the bait to use, and the release method. So stay tuned. This is going to be quite an adventure. At least I thought it was an adventure. Stay tuned, you all. I woke up this morning and there was a big chunk out of the zucchini. My husband came up with an idea. So we've got sardines back here. And the trap is set. Hopefully something will be in here in the morning. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully something will be in here. Stay tuned. Sounds like I can hear something in the cage. It's about 2:45 a.m. It's gonna be a long night for that animal. We'll see in the morning what's in there. So I know we caught something last night. Let me see what we're working with. Ooh. Hi. Yeah, I know you tried to get in the garden, but you couldn't. You're just chilling now, right? We're gonna take you to a new home soon. Yeah. I know you have some more brothers and sisters. We're gonna get you all out. Okay, we're gonna take him to a new home. Couldn't get in this time. Is he heavy?
Yeah, he's heavy.
Oh man. Bye for now. We've arrived to the new place. This new condo. Full of greenery. It's gonna be wonderful. I know Ricky is gonna love it. Okay, gotten him out of the trunk. Oh, that's how you're gonna do it, Cleo? I thought you were gonna flick the thing, turn it over.
Pick it up. Bang on the back a little bit.
Just take the tarp off. Okay.
Don't get front.
Is it? Oh, he doesn't know that the door is open, does he?
It's gonna open.
It's gonna open. Okay, when? Gonna hit the back of it, Cleo? I'll wait till the people leave, yeah. Well, you guys, we're about to let him free. He does not know the front door is open. So we're gonna give him some assistance. Oh, run! Come on now. There he goes.
He was dead.
Yes, he was. We set him free, you all. Yes, we did. Free at last. Free at last. I had to slow motion The Great Escape. Isn't that something? Wow. Run! This is how we set up the cage. They like sardines, so we open up the can just a little bit. This is the back of the cage here. So we put the food in the rear. And then we seal it shut. So did you put that hole right there, or was it already there?
I put that there.
Okay. Why are you doing this like this?
That's so the can doesn't get turned over, or they can't get the can out.
Okay.
They got to get in there and get after it.
So they have to come all the way, walk all the way to the back of the cage to get to the food. Okay, that makes sense. And then what about the stakes that you put in at the top?
So the stakes is designed to hold it in because they can rattle the cage and turn it over. Get out.
So that's how it's set. Resting right there. Purpose of that, Cleo?
So they can't turn the cage over and escape before the time.
So they walk in through the front, all the way to the back to the gourmet meal of sardines, and then the door shuts behind them. And we come and get them and take them to a new location. What are you doing, Cleo?
Make sure the trap is, make sure the set so that I can just barely touch it. That's it.
Now it's set. So when they walk in, hit the lever here, step on that to get to the food back here, the door closes and they're in and can continue to eat their meal until we come and relocate them. A humane way to keep our garden lush for us to eat, not for them. Well, I didn't hear anything in the cage overnight, but let's see if there's anything in here. What? Ooh. Ooh, that's a possum. Jesus Christ. Well, the good news is nothing got in the garden. Now we gotta transport this funny looking thing. God's creatures, though, they serve a purpose. We're gonna set you free, Priscilla Possum. I sure hope it's alive. Oh, God. It's alive. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Oh, you're alive. You're going to be free soon. Well, it's time to transport Priscilla Possum. We'll be back shortly. At least she's alive and well, and we're doing a good thing. As good as we can, I should say. Okay. We're back to this again. This is going to be fast. Wait for it. That was too fast. Let me slow that down a little bit. Oh, wow, he got out fast.
He wasn't playing.
That was nice.
No more. Oh, okay.
Right, the door's open. Pew! Well, I'm so glad he was alive. So I hope you got something out of the video. I certainly did. By the end of all this, we'd caught 2 possums and 2 large raccoons. And finally, there was nothing in the trap, nothing in the garden eating our vegetables anymore. So subscribe, like, share, all of that. I appreciate you for watching. Have a wonderful day, you all. Peace and blessings.